Hey guys, welcome back. This is the final video in my Bohemian bedroom series, and today I'm adding all the little finishing touches that bring the whole room together. I've been storing a lot of my favorite miniatures for a while, so I thought it would be fun to unpack some of them on camera and see what fits best in this space. You've seen me build each of these pieces. Now it's time to fill the room with all the details that make it feel lived in. I've been keeping everything organized in these IKEA containers. They come in a set of 17 for about $7, and they're perfect for storing minis. These are two little frames that have a photo of my doll. The smaller one is supposed to be her as a child. These are miniature drinking glasses. I'll use these downstairs. Here's a small stack of books with vintage titles. They'll go on top of the dresser. In this bag I have a lot of vases made of resin. I'll use a few of these and probably save the rest for another house. Here are a few of my mid-century modern pieces. I have a fairy lamp, another vase, and a bird. Here are some perfume bottles also made of resin. I'll use a couple of them on the dresser. The others are a bit oversized for 1/12 scale. This gold trinket box doesn't open, but it's cute and fits perfectly for the top of the dresser. I got these resin fans to use on the wall, but I ran out of space, so I'll save them for a future project. These are a lot of resin pieces that I have from Temu, and I'll use those for later builds. Now back to the larger container. This plant will go on the dresser. In this case, I have either an oversized violin or an undersized cello. I'm not really sure, but I'm using it anyway. These next few items are from the same seller on Etsy. A lot of them have a circus theme. I've had these pieces in my collection for years, and unfortunately I can't remember the seller's name. This is one of my favorite pieces, a little elephant pull toy with a leather saddle. And here's the little clown. My daughter thinks he's creepy, but I think he's adorable. This chair is actually a half-scale piece. It was originally white wire, but I painted it to look like wicker. I have more pieces like this that I plan to paint for the downstairs. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that in a future video. This container has a lot of the framed art and frames that I've collected over the years. I'll be using everything in this bag over the dresser. These pieces will be for a later project because I've run out of wall space. This is a Moroccan style chair made by Best Pack. And now I'm putting everything in place. I really love how everything came together. The textures, colors, and the lighting just all capture that cozy, collected bohemian look that I had in mind. Now that this room's finished, I can finally start furnishing and decorating the downstairs rooms. If you've been watching my videos, then you've probably noticed my doll is wearing new clothes. This adorable 70s inspired tutu and tube dress was handmade by Christia from Reignbowsntoes. She makes the cutest custom kids outfits and even tiny doll versions. I've added links below so you can check out her work on her website and Instagram. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.